And then here is their farmhouse spring collection. As you can see here, they have different little pictures and things like that where you can just put in your house. This is very like white, wood, and different things like that to match, you know, that farmhouse theme. They also have some like buckets here where you can like hang up on your wall, maybe like put flowers and things like that. There's also a sign where it says guest room. And there's this little vase where you could put like flowers and things like that. Here's another sign where you can put like your Wi-Fi password. They have this fake flower wreath here. And then there's different little jar containers with like letters. And then here's like just plain vases with like white fake flowers. And then here's another sign where it just says be our guest. They have some more little things up there. And these kind of look more antique-ish with the painting and this post thing. And then here it just says sweet honey. It's a little sign thing. And then this little pot container. And then just some more decor pieces. And here's a pillow they have, sit down, stay a while. A little home sign. Some other little signs as well. Another picture frame or picture here with yellow flowers. Another decor piece. And then they have little bee pots. These are cute. And just some more planting pots. And there's these little white stands if you want to put plants on. And then another picture here. This big flower banner. And then this little leaf wreath. And then another pillow. A thing where you can put your boots on or your other shoes on this tray. And then there's some other signs. Welcome to our cottage. And then a place where you can hang your keys up. That is all for this section.